You just found the 2022 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. This Toyota Sienna has the features your family needs to make the most of every road trip. Safe, powerful, smooth, and quiet. It's a calm oasis in your busy life. Navigate the highways and byways in confidence, while the latest infotainment tech and creature comforts keep your passengers relaxed, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, sun, moonroof, backup camera, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. You don't have to sacrifice driving pleasure to get the versatility your family needs. Come in and drive this refined and powerful Sienna. We'll make it the best part of your day.